Hello guys, in this video I want to show you an awesome way of building strong background over a particular field of study. This was one of the most challenging things for me to do when I started doing my literature review for my PhD. If you are a new PhD student and you don't have a good knowledge and a good background over your topic, I highly recommend you to follow these steps. So step number one, you should read review articles. A review article, it is called also a literature review. It is a survey of previously published research articles over a topic. It should give you an overview of the current thinking on the theme. Step number two, which is reading specific review articles. The most important benefit from reading specific review article is improving your understanding and your knowledge over the topic. You will understand the general things, you will understand the methodology and how to deal with your topic. Let me tell you also that once you finish reading review articles and specific review articles, you will be able to provide a comprehensive foundation over your topic. You will be able also to explain the current state of the art. You'll be able to identify gaps in existing studies for potential research, and also you are going to highlight the main methodologies and research techniques. Once you finish the first and the second step, reading review articles, you will move to the next step, which is reading research articles. And the difference between a review article and a research article is that a review article is going to cover the previously published research articles, but is not going to highlight new results. Unlike a research article, is going to present new experimental results. Review or articles and research articles will help you to understand in depth your topic, and you will be able to make some links between your study and the previous studies. And most importantly, you will be able to make the comparison between your results and the results of other studies. And it is really important once you start reading your own scientific paper. To see more clearly, I will give you now an example from my PhD. So my PhD was dealing with the assessment and improvement of thermal and visual comfort in French colonial architectural heritage, case of historic school buildings in Algeria. I followed the three steps in order to move forward. As I told you before, step number one was reading review articles. Some of those review articles was energy efficiency and thermal comfort in historic buildings. Then I read also this paper, Impact of Indoor Environmental Quality on Occupant Well-being and Comfort. It is a review article also, and you see here here indoor environmental quality. It is general. I mean, because the indoor environmental quality has four parameters: the thermal comfort, the visual comfort, the acoustic comfort, and the indoor air quality. But my research deals with the parameters which are in relation with the energy consumption, which is thermal and visual comfort. Once I finished reading the review articles, I moved to the second step, which is the specific review articles. In this case, I read, for instance, this one, thermal comfort in educational buildings. As you can see, it was a really interesting article. And after finishing reading those specific review articles, I moved to the third step, which is reading research articles, reading over the thermal comfort and visual comfort in different climates. When we reading research articles, as I told you previously, you are going to see new results. Like this article, which deals with the thermal comfort of a typical secondary school building in Cyprus. And another example of my literature review was this one: adaptive thermal comfort in university classroom in Malaysia and Japan. You see, and let me also tell you that the more you read, the more you understand your topic, and the more you can make a comparison between your study and the previous studies. That's it, guys. I hope it was helpful, it was useful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.